Hello and welcome from my side. My name is Martin Komera. I'm Head of Product Management for WinCC Open Architecture, and I will show you some details about the new upcoming version, WinCC OA version 3.21. The main topics for version 3.21 is we will change something in licenses. From database side, security, we have some news, deployment, connectors, and operations. So let's have a look into the details. So let's talk about licenses. With version 3.21, we will introduce some new license packages. This allows for easy ordering of new licenses. There will be 3 packages, so medium, large, and unlimited, and you can buy it with some clicks directly in the mall. Additionally, we will come up with subscription-based licenses. So these 3 packages will also be available on a subscription-based price option. The license portal. Last but not least, we will come up with a license portal which gives you the possibility, on one hand side, to see all licenses which you have purchased for WinCC OA, and you can also manage your own licenses and the licenses of your customers. Next topic is operations. Here we will come up with the already available JavaScript manager in version 3.20, and we have added now the missing functions so that we have included now all functions what you had available in control for control managers. So now you have the possibility to use JavaScript for all your business logic in WinCC OA. Especially there will be a system dashboard. The system dashboard will give you an overview about the health status of your system, especially for maintenance options, so that you, as system integrator, get a fast overview about the status of your system. Web UI and dashboard, and here we are moving the backend logic also from control into a 100% JavaScript environment, so that we have a full stack experience here in this part. Yeah, and so we are coming to the dashboard. We have now finished the conversion from our Angular-based dashboard to web component-based dashboard, and this will be released with version 3.21. And this will be the first step in direction of a web user interface. The advantage of web component-based dashboarding is that we will have a much better performance in viewing and in the operation. It will have the new Siemens layout and dark mode and light mode. The next topic, unified namespace. WinCC OA has, as many of you already know, the plant model and the data types already implemented since many years. Now, more or less, the same information is known as unified namespace. So we will modify step by step our application wherever you find plant model or especially plant model, we will rename it to unified namespace. And what can unified namespace do for us? So here you have the possibility to use different namespaces on top of your data model and provide, based on this namespace or this naming convention, the data to the outside world using our northbound communication like MQTT or OPC OA, for example. Connectors. So here we talk about northbound connectivity and southbound connectivity. What is meant here, northbound connectivity is always from WinCC OA to the top applications like ERP or MES on the IT level. Southbound communication is downwards in direction from WinCC OA to PLCs. On the northbound connectivity, here we will come up with a northbound manager library and a Spark Plug B implementation. This means you will have the possibility to provide all your data via Spark Plug B to the outside world or to the IT level. And with the northbound manager library, it's easy also for you to add new communication interfaces on the northbound side. On southbound side, on driver side, we will come up with 3.21 SEC-SCAM driver for the electronic industry and OCPP to communicate with charging stations. On S7 side, here we have an improved OPC UA redundancy option, and this redundancy option gives you the possibility to reduce the communication load on your especially S7 1500H by using a new redundancy option there. From database side, with 3.21, as you already know, in the former versions, we introduced Postgres as our standard database for NGA. And with 3.21, we will bring some add-ons or we're closing the gaps. One thing is we increased the performance of the PostgreSQL backend. We are now supporting split mode also with NGA. And Advanced Maintenance Suite and APM, Advanced Playback Manager, is also now available based on Postgres projects. And there is also, last but not least, a streamlined license package for APM. From security side, what's the news? One main topic of version 3.21 is that we introduce a new central authentication. This central authentication will be based on OpenID Connect and will be available for the whole product. This gives you the possibility to directly interface to Entra ID, which is the extension of Active Directory for Microsoft, or we will interface with Keycloak as an open source variant, and we will also provide an internal small OpenID provider as fallback for a fallback scenario if your external OpenID providers are not available at the moment. And also from security point of view, we managed the certification regarding the IEC 62443-4-2 safety level 2 by 100%. Deployment. When you are using WinCC OA in containers or in Kubernetes environment or even in cloud environment, there was always a little bit complicated to install and maintain your projects there. And therefore, we are coming up with a cloud deployment option where you can upload your project directly in a cloud-based container. We will come up with extended documentation and examples how to run WinCC OA in cloud or container environment. Yeah, these were the main topics for version 3.21 and beyond. And I hope you took some examples for you, which helps. And yeah, don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn and YouTube. And with this, thank you very much and have a good day.